Guys, I'm gonna go through on the line. That's why I key online, especially for this one. I don't want to do videos. I'm gonna do the ones that I think you might have practice quiz. Hopefully you will watch this video. I sent an email to parents to remind you to look. I'm looking at number 4. This is to get you. This is distributing negatives. So keep distribute the negative 2 to the a negative to the negative 2 to make a positive 4x equals 20. That's the step that's going to get you negative. So then you just combine like terms. So positive 4 and 4, negative 2x, positive 4. So if I add together, the 4 makes 8, and the negative 2x and the positive makes 2. And then from there it's pretty simple. Subtract 8 and divide by 2. And you get 2 equals what? 12, x equals 6. And of course you know you can verify that. It says to do by plug in for x. So obviously you won't have room right next to it, but perhaps you can get on the back. So quickly, putting the 6 here and the here is the only place we have to do it. So 4 minus 2 parentheses 6 instead of x minus 2 times 6 should equal 20. And simplifying all this, 4 minus, okay, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8, plus 4 times 6 is 24, should equal 20. There you go, minus 8 is negative 4 plus 24, guess what, that does equal 20, so we have, okay, quickly, taking a look here, decimals should not be a problem. You're allowed to use a calculator on the test, so I'm going to skip that. Number 6 here, which has your favorite and mine, the fractions. So clearly I've wanted fraction, but you look at these, 4 of these have a common denominator of 4. So now I'm going to multiply each of these times this and this. So you just 4 times 2. Scratch paper good, but 4 and the 2 simplify, and this leaves you with negative 2x. The side, sure, multiply this fraction by this fraction. Okay, equals a fourth of 4 is 1, and don't put the x. The 4 and 4 is 16. We have variables on sides, so we have to then get it onto one side. So we realize that you can either side to the right by doing the opposite. You see negative 2x, you would add 2x. On the other one, you could add x, but I'll see why in just a second. Those cancel. Negative 1x plus 2x, just x, or plus 6. Add would have still here, but easy this is. Now I subtract 16 and I got 1 stuff. That equals 8 minus 16 is 8. Of course the way to verify it is plug that number in, and I'll do it on this minus 13 herald for 1 of 8 minus of negative 1 of 8, 2, it's a negative and would make it a positive 2, and then plus 4. Let's see if we get a true statement. Plus 4 is 2 plus 4 equals 2 plus 4. Done, verified. Okay, next. All the followings in 3 steps describe the students. 1 was complete circle mistake and to describe the mistake and then do it right. So this is on the next page here. So let's see. What would you do? How would we get from 2x to 2x to 4x? Well, wouldn't we combine like terms? Me too. Were they done correctly? 2x and 2x is 4. You would add it to both sides, right? So if I kind of just did that, it should jump out at you that what was done wrong. So what we're supposed to do is add 8. But what happens is, instead of adding 8, what do you think they did? They subtract 8. So now it says separating correctly. So all you have to do is take it from where it stopped. So since this step to here was right, and we process, what should we end up with? Instead of 4x minus 8, end up with 4x equals what? 20. And then divide by 4, and x should equal 5. And please do yourself a favor. It doesn't certify it, but an easy number in. So 2 times 5 is 10, minus 8, plus 2 times 5 again is 10, should equal 12. So minus 8 is negative 2. Sorry, it's positive 2. And positive 2 is 12. We verified our solution. Okay. Let's see, symbolic representation of this. So groups. Two groups, we have an x and a 1. And these are all negative x's in them. 2x, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 4 equals 8. That combines to negative plus 2, 8. A positive 2x, negative 2, 2x, 6. Divide both sides by negative 2, x equal negative 3. And you can do that really quickly. All this stuff will pair. Check this, 2 of those are gone, because there's no pair. Subtract 2 of these, subtract 2. Negative 2 equals positive 6, right? So that means negative 1x equals positive 3. Now if I think about that the reverse, if the negative x is equal to 3, the positive x is equal to negative 3. Cool? Okay, last couple here. I'm going to actually do that in a separate video. So the 3-word problems at the bottom, I will in a separate video.